What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about my latest setup add-on, and they are IKEA drawers. And no, I'm not talking about the Alex ones. I'm talking about something that is actually in stock and not overpriced. We're going to go over the features, what is it made of, and all this good stuff. And then at the end of this video I will also show you how to put it together in case you do decide to buy one of these. I'm also going to leave timestamps in the description down below and also on the video itself in case you want to skip to a specific part. And hopefully by the end of this video you're going to have enough information to make a decision for yourself on whether this drawer is for you or not. Now without further ado, let's start. We'll start with the build quality. So the whole thing is made of metal, nothing is made of plastic except just the wheels, and that's pretty good. But one thing to be aware of is that when I bought one of these, I actually had a dent on the outside, which tells me that it's just pretty easy to dent it from the outside. But if you do dent it, it's not like it's gonna break or anything. Like I said, the whole thing is made of metal, so it is pretty durable, but these dents might not look nice. Now in the beginning I thought it was gonna be small, but surprisingly it's pretty good size, and it took a lot of my things that I didn't think it wasn't gonna take. And it comes with 6 drawers, so there is plenty of space. Now that I've had it for like 2 weeks or so, I can tell you that after using it, I didn't get no scratches on it. Also, the fact that it comes with the place that you can put your labels on the outside, I think in my opinion is pretty good, and it's missing from a lot of drawers out there, like the Alex drawer for example. When it comes to how it looks, I think it looks pretty good, and I haven't seen any scratches on the outside or anything like that. I also haven't seen any loss of color, and I have been using it for 2 weeks, so that's a pretty good sign. I also love the fact that I can put the whole thing together in like 30 minutes or so without really any tools except just a screwdriver. Overall, I think the drawer itself is pretty balanced. When you put it on the floor, it doesn't tilt any way, and it's pretty hard to knock it over. I know this is a concern for some of you out there. It was a concern for me at least, and I'm happy to report that it didn't fall, and it's pretty hard to knock over, so that's pretty good. Just one thing to note if you're gonna buy one of these is that the whole thing is made of metal, and for the most part it's just thin pieces of metal. It does hold up pretty good. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure to like the video. It really helps a lot with the algorithm. Alright guys, so here it is, and as you can see on the box from the outside, it has Helmer. As you can see on the outside, it has Helmer on it, so that's what it's called. So let's go ahead and unbox it. You get the assembly instructions, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you get these 6 pieces right here, and then you have this part, and you get these 2 little parts, the bag of stuff, and you get this. I know this looks kind of complicated, but trust me, it's not. If you follow along my video, it should be really easy. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you have this part right here, and last but not least, this one big piece. And that's pretty much everything you get in the box. All right, so the first thing you're gonna start with is you're gonna grab these 2 big pieces, and then you're also gonna grab these pieces. Let's take them out of these boxes. You should have 6 of these, and what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna start putting them on. One side, it goes straight in like this, and the other side, it goes down. In and down. Really easy, in and down. So that's the first side. We're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side right here. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna grab these 2 pieces right here, and we're gonna grab one of these that we just worked on, and we're just gonna put this piece in like this, and the other one the same way. We're gonna get the other side that we just worked on, like so. Make sure to press it all the way down until you hear a click. Now we're gonna grab this one piece right here. On one side, there's only 2 holes, and then on the other side, there's 2 holes and then these U-shaped thingies. Make sure that the U-shaped thingies is on the bottom like this, and we're gonna put it on this side, just like this. You're also gonna need any type of screwdriver. What you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here to the top, and there's that middle part, and you're just gonna push it in with your screwdriver like so. And you're also gonna do the same thing for the other side. And just like that. I had to get a table right here so I can show you guys, but basically on the bottom part, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna bend that piece of metal downward, and on the other side right here, there's another piece like it, and we're gonna do the same thing with it. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the top and you're just gonna put it on the top and you're gonna push it backwards to force it in place. what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to bend these middle pieces towards the top so you can lock it in place. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now you have the top locked in place. Now this step is very easy, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab one of these sheets and then you're basically just gonna fold it like this. Make sure when you fold it that this side is on the outside, and basically that's what you're gonna do for all of them. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna grab one of these pieces right here, and you're gonna grab one of these pieces. You're gonna take the front part right here, and then you're gonna go to this side. What you're gonna do is simply just, you're gonna put it in just like that. Then you're gonna grab the back, make sure that square part right here is on the bottom so it lines up. You're just gonna push it in place like this. Now you're gonna grab your screwdriver and simply just secure it in place by pushing these middle parts in. And then after you secure the back part, you're gonna go to the front, and you're basically gonna do the same thing with this piece right here and the same one on the opposite side of it. And that's how you assemble one of these drawers. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble all of them. Now after assembling all the drawers, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the red bag. In the bag, you're gonna find the handles for the drawers, and you're gonna find the screwdrivers to put it in. Now all is left to do is basically just grab the drawers, put the handles on it, and just screw them on. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now here's how it should look like when you're done with it. Now the only thing left to do is actually install the wheels. Putting the wheels is very easy, shouldn't have anything tricky in it. So after you install the wheels, there's one hole in each corner, and you just have 4 screwdrivers left. All you're gonna do is just install this one screwdriver left on each corner, and you're pretty much done. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip it, and we're gonna put all of these in. One last thing left to do. You're gonna go to each drawer, and then you're gonna go to this metal piece on this side and on the opposite one, and you're just gonna bend it, but make sure to bend it when it's actually inside the drawer itself. And what these do is they basically just prevent the drawer from opening all the way and dropping all your stuff. You also have these labels that come with the drawers, so if you want to put labels on the drawer, you can do it. Now with that being said, if it's your first time on my channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys can subscribe, ring the bell, because when I took a look at my analytics, a lot of you out there are not subscribed, but you still watch me. And so I appreciate the fact that you watch me, but please subscribe down below so you don't miss any future videos. If you enjoyed the video, maybe consider liking it. It really helps a lot in the algorithm. And if you didn't like the video, dislike. If you're reaching this point in the video, I just want to say that you're a legend. Keep it up. If you guys have more time to watch more videos, watch more of my videos. Peace.